Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Italia Dutton and today I'm going to be doing a video on this look right here. I actually did my makeup for once. The reason is I'm on fasting right now, so I did my makeup so that I could distract myself from how hungry I am. If you want to see how I got this look right here, please keep watching. Let's get started. Ew, what the fuck? So first, I'm going to prime my face with the Becca Cosmetics Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. Ooh. I'm just gonna press it into the skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. Looks kind of light, so I might have to go in with something a little bit darker. We'll see. Did it break? It actually matched pretty well, so no need for another foundation. Now I'm going to go in with the Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I kind of put it on my eyelid as well to kind of do use as a base for my eyeshadow that I'm going to go in with later. And next I'm going to bake with the Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. I'm going to go in with the same beauty blender. I know it's dirty, just don't judge me, okay? I would be very careful with using this powder because it's very white, like stark white, like white. So be careful so you don't have just white underneath your eyes. Okay, now while that's baking, I'm going to, there it is, go in with my Benefit Cosmetics Pro Brow Contour Pro by Benefit, and it's in the shade Brown Medium. It just twists. You pick your color and pull down and twist. Very cool. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe away whatever's left of the powder with a big just powder brush. So now I'm gonna go in with the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer. It really warms up the skin. I'm gonna go back with the powder brush and just kind of blend it out a little bit. Don't want any harsh lines. Okay, onto the forehead. Bring it down. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush by the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the little trio palette. And this is in the shade Pool Party. So I'm going to just go in with this one right here. Keep it very subtle. So then again, go back with the powder brush and blend it all out. Now I'm going to spray it with some Make It Dewy setting spray by Milani. Okay. I haven't used it before, so I have to get a little. It smells really good. I'm gonna go in with Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. Ooh. Love that. Too much. Just gonna buff that out with my fingers a little bit. And again with the powder brush and just buff that out. Much better. Now on to the eyes. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Heat Palette right here. Sorry for the glare. That's better. Urban Decay Heat Palette. So on a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sauced right here. Same thing for the other eye. I'm gonna go in with a little bit smaller brush and kind of go a little bit lower in the crease with the shade Caffeine right here. And then I'm going to go back in and blend it out. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with a smaller, more defined brush and put it on like the inner corner, a darker color on the inner corner to kind of give it a halo effect. So I'm going to go in with Enfuego right here. For this extra space on the middle part of my eyes, I'm gonna go in with Ember right here. I'm gonna do a little bit on my finger. And then go back in and blend it out. go back in with Enfuego right here and just redo what I did to make it a little bit darker. And blend it out. So now I'm going to work on the under eye. I'm going to go in with Sauced, like we used in the transition shade. I'm going to take a smaller, more defined brush and put Enfuego again on the outer and inner corner of my bottom lid. I don't know. Then I'm going to take the shade Ember right here and put it right in here. It's to mimic what's on the top part of the eye. And then blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with Ounce right here and put it right underneath the brow. You can see it kind of brightens up underneath the brow. Blend. For the inner corner highlight, I'm just going to go back in with the Champagne Pop. For lip liner, I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics in the shade Need Me. For lips, I'm going to go in with this Stila liquid lipstick in Miel Shimmer. I like this color. Guys, I almost forgot mascara. Yikes! So I'm going to go in with Their Real Mascara by Benefit. And then I'm going to finish it off with the Milani setting spray again. So this is the final product right here. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you next time.